Hello, my name is, and I'm excited to share an incredible opportunity with you today. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business and creating multiple streams of income? Our Legacy Builder program is designed to help you do just that. Our Legacy Builder program is a comprehensive step-by-step process that anyone can follow to start their own online business and create up to 4 streams of income. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your business portfolio, this program is tailored to guide you every step of the way. Here's what makes the Legacy Builder program stand out: step-by-step guidance. We provide a full, detailed roadmap that anyone can follow regardless of their prior experience. Multiple income streams. You'll learn how to create up to 4 different sources of income, ensuring financial stability and growth. Supportive community. Once you join, you become part of a thriving community of over 14,000 people who are on the same journey. Some have already created a successful lifestyle, while others are just starting out. Affordable investment. The entire program is available for only $900. And if the upfront cost is a concern, we offer flexible payment plans to fit your budget. Our community is filled with success stories. People from all walks of life have joined the Legacy Builder program and transformed their financial future. Some have built a lifestyle they only dreamed of, while others are at the exciting beginning of their journey. The support and networking within our community are invaluable. Imagine having everything you need to start and grow a successful online business, all for just $900. And with our payment plans, you don't have to worry about paying the full amount up front. This is your chance to make a footprint in the online world and create a legacy for yourself and your family. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join the Legacy Builder program and start your journey towards financial independence and multiple income streams? If you're expressing financial concerns, I understand that $900 can be a significant investment. That's why we offer flexible payment plans to make it easier for you to get started. What's important is that you take the first step towards building your online business today. And if you're unsure about your ability to succeed, I get it. Starting something new can be daunting. But remember, this program is designed for anyone to follow, and you'll have the support of a community of over 15,000 people. You won't be doing this alone. Our step-by-step guidance ensures that you have everything you need to succeed. Thank you for your time. I truly believe the Legacy Builder program can change your life. Let's get you started on this exciting journey today. Are you ready to take the next step? I'll follow up with you in a few days to see if you have any more questions or if you're ready to join. In the meantime, feel free to reach out to me directly if you need any more information or assistance. Remember, opportunities like this don't come around often. The Legacy Builder program is your chance to create a sustainable and prosperous future. Let's get started today. If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact me at success@sixfigureuniverse.com. I'm here to help you every step of the way.